Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. My name is Krista and in this video it is all about birds. If you love birds, stick around and watch this video because it's gonna make you really happy. If you don't love birds, watch the video as well because probably at the end of the video you will start to like birds, at least a little bit more, but I bet you will love birds at the end of this video. Around Christmas last year I decided to hang some seeds for the little birds on my balcony. It took them 3 weeks to find it, but then they came and they kept coming back and I loved it. I started to learn the differences between some of the birds and I just couldn't stop watching them. I decided to give them some more food and I added peanuts to the mix. Unfortunately, they didn't seem to really like the peanuts. Although some of the bigger birds did eat them and the smaller ones did too, but mostly they kept coming back just for the seeds. So I found different ways to feed the little birds with the seeds. I was surprising myself that I could watch them for minutes and minutes and minutes until I was actually not even bored. And I was wondering why. I know that my grandmother really loved the birds and they reminded me of her, but it was never something that I was aware of that I loved so much. I grew up with pigeons and I loved to feed them and to hang out with them. Are you thinking this right now? Well, you haven't even seen the worst parts. I was sometimes literally covered with pigeons, like the bird lady from Home Alone 2. And that was such a special feeling. I mean, I was there with them every evening at a certain part of my childhood and I fed them and they were sitting on my head and my shoulders and my lap and they were everywhere and they loved me and I loved them. So I guess I forgot all about it in the past 15 years of my life, but now the love of birds has returned. So I decided to go outside and look around in my neighborhood what other birds I could find. And I caught a lot of them on camera, not all of them, because some of them are really quick and really fast and I don't have the right camera for it, but I had a lot of fun and I hope that you will have a lot of fun too watching this video. If you love this video so far, please give this video a thumb up and keep watching the part where I show you the birds in my neighborhood. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, and you can see all my future videos, and of course you can also watch my previous videos. So that was it for today. I'm looking forward to see you again next time, but for now, enjoy watching and have a nice day. Bye!